Here at Modern Real Estate, you get a CRM, which is a client relations management tool. All that is given to you for free. We help you set up templates and then be able to stay in contact with your past clients, your friends, family, sphere of influence, anybody you may encounter to convert them into a buyer and seller. As we all know, everybody is going to be a buyer and seller at some point. So it's good to have that process and that transaction management tool there for you guys. Like I said, utilize it. It's completely free, but we can show you how to utilize it as well. Don't forget to look at all the videos in the playlist. There's a ton of good information and everything, the ins and outs about modern real estate and what we provide. Also, feel free to call or text me at any time. We can set up a coffee or a beer and go from there.